Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dog. For this task you can either use paper or card. I have practiced with both and both work. Firstly, we take the piece of paper and fold it in half. Next we are going to unfold it so it's in its original shape. Then we are going to fold it in the other direction. Again, unfold it so it's back to a square. So we have a square piece of paper with two folds. Next, we are going to fold all of the diagonals into the centre of the paper one at a time. Then unfold one of the diagonals back and fold the corner so it touches the line like this. Then unfold the opposite diagonal back and pull the fold back so it looks like this. Next, we are going to fold the bottom diagonal back up. And then we are going to fold the whole thing in half like this. Then position the paper so the triangular shaped head is on the right. Unfold it again and pull the top triangle out and around, like this. Then fold the piece of card up so it's aligned with the side of the card. This bit is tricky, so make sure you are careful. Now turn the card to the other side and do the same thing. It should be symmetrical to the other side. Now fold the pieces of card down, like this. This should be easy as the line has already been folded before. Now there you have the dog shape, and now all we need to do is colour in. I'm going for a simple design where I'm only colouring the nose, eyes and tail, but you can do whatever you want. Feel free to colour in fur, add a collar, a mouth and tongue. And there we have it. Thank you for watching and enjoy your designs. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller with paper. So we're going to fold over the piece of paper in half so it looks like this. Try and be very precise so it looks like an exact square. So on the side section, we're going to want to cut that bit off. So use some scissors or a ruler, or get your parents to do it if you're not allowed to use scissors. Use scissors to cut along the fold there. And then you can just get rid of the extra bit of paper, we don't need that. So we're going to unfold the piece of paper so we've got a square. Then we're going to diagonally fold the paper in the other direction as before. And then unfold it again, so we've got two diagonal lines in a square. Now we're going to fold the paper in the other direction, so it's in half. And once again, we're going to unfold the paper again. Then we're going to turn the paper round, fold it in half again in the other direction. And we're going to unfold the paper again. So we've got several lines and folds in the piece of paper. So now we're going to take the centre and put all the diagonals in towards the centre. And we're going to work our way around the piece of paper, putting all of the diagonals in the centre. Okay, and then when we're done with this, we're going to fold it on the other way and do the same again. Put all of the corners into the centre of the paper. This may be a bit tricky to do, but you have to be very forceful with it. Try and be precise as possible in this section. So then we're going to have it looking like that on one way and that on the other side. I'm going to flip it over to this side again. Then we're going to take a pen and we're going to put numbers 1 to 8 in these little sections here. You can obviously do it a lot more creatively than I'm doing it here. You can do different colours, different little drawings in the sections, whatever you please. Then we're going to fold it in half like that, diagonal to diagonal. And again in half the other way, diagonal to diagonal. Fold it back open again and turn it to the other side. And then in the square sections we're going to do different colours, so I'm using some highlighters here, but you can do little drawings or pencils, pens, anything. Different colours in the different square sections. So I'm deciding to do dots here, but obviously you can do whatever you fancy. Again, I thought I wasn't being creative enough, so I added a few extra dots on the second time. So it should look like with numbers on one side and colours on the other. Fold it in half. And then try and fit fingers through the gaps in the paper there, and put your fingers to the corner on both sides, and then bring your fingers together, and that's what the structure of the fortune teller should look like. Then again, open the whole structure up, and in the little triangle sections of the paper, can write fortunes for each other. So here's just an example that I've made. You will become a princess. But you can choose to write whatever you'd like. And as I'm showing here, write down different fortunes in the different triangles. And work your way across until you've written 8 different fortunes. So in all of those sections, write a fortune. Once you're done with that, you can then put your fingers back into the structure of the fortune teller and bring them together, and hey presto, we've done. Thank you guys for watching.